Hi guys, we're using this cordless vacuum cleaner for reviewing purposes. So let's take it out of the box, okay, and see what comes inside. I think it's nice. And here we got the quick user guide, okay, and different attachments of the vacuum cleaner. This is the extension rod. You have one of the heads, okay, a brush to clean. Charger and another one of the heads. Okay, this one has an adjustable like this side, and then you can place it like this, so it has a brush. You can decide where you use it or not. I think it's nice. And this is the main unit. Okay, as you can see, it's really nice. You can use it with the extension rod or without it. Okay, as you can see. Okay, as you can see, we can use it like this. But let's use the extension rod, okay? I'm gonna test this attachment, okay? To turn it on, you just have to place the battery in the main unit and press the button once. As you can see, it turns on. And in the screen, as you can see, we can select the speed, okay? This is the first one, second, and third, okay? First again, okay? So let's go ahead and test it. And once you're done vacuuming, you can just press the release button like this and take the trash out, okay, as you can see, and close it again, and that's it. You're gonna storage it and leave it charging for the next time you're gonna use it. So as it is really practical and makes it easier to clean different surfaces, I think it's really nice, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.